Okay, here's a thought on these new headlights that I put in. They suck. Bad. They're too yellow, for one thing. They do not project out. They give me a flit of light about one car length in front of the car. And that's it. They're about as bad as the old incandescent bulbs. The light bulb's working, so hopefully they're not too hot right now. Not too bad. Yeah, I'm not pleased with them. Not pleased at all. So they are coming out. They're so bad that I am going to replace them with the old bulbs. The drawback is the seals were messed up on these. But I think we can repurpose them. A bit. That one looks like it might be torn. It is torn. So I'm probably going to wind up having to buy all new. I wonder if these rubber gaskets will work. Probably not. They don't seem like they want to come out. But yeah, the old bulbs are going back in. That's how much I dislike those new ones. I'm going to keep an eye on the connections. That may have been part of why these were flickering at me. Yeah, these are going to go right in the garbage. I thought these were Diode Dynamics is who I bought these originally from, these bulbs. Doesn't feel right. These are from Oxbeam. Where did the end? Much better. Noisier fans though. So yeah, I think we're just going to go try to find these again. They've been in the car probably 5 years, so there you go. There's a little follow-up. problem with these is the high beams are not very good. The light pattern is much, much better. So, alrighty, there you go. These are going in the garbage. I don't have the receipt for them anymore. I don't remember where I bought them from. Song LED headlights. For the Chevy Cruze, not recommended. They just were not very bright. KL LED H13 KT/K. 2-year warranty. Again, I don't know where the receipt is, so they're just going to go in the garbage. So, anywho, as you can tell, I just got off work. That's how much I disliked them. Wasn't even going to wait till morning because I wanted to make sure these were going to work again. Listening to how noisy those fans were. Yeah, driving down the road, these headlights will light up road signs, quite a ways in the distance. These didn't even light up the road. And I hit my turn signal, it would light up the road signs and the headlights wouldn't. So, I'm not pleased with these. So like I said, they're going in the garbage. Try to find a replacement set of these, because like I said, these have been in the car for 5 years. Took me a little while to find a decent set that I was comfortable with. But anywho, the moon is out, there's some stars shining. Not too much high altitude smoke tonight, but I'm going to go inside and play with the 2 remaining cats that I have. Edit this video, and right now I got the install of these headlights uploading, so once that's up and going, I'll probably release this video noon tomorrow or today, and then later today will be the driving to work video. So you guys are getting a whole bunch of videos this week. So we'll catch you on the next one. It'll be good. Bye-bye.